All right, so we took off this trim piece on the back to access the review camera on this 2019 Rav4. This is what it looks like when it's sitting in here. And the way that you get this out is that there's gonna be, well, a plug for it. And you just wanna press down really hard on this side and then pull it out. And then it comes right out. And then there's these tabs, top and bottom on each side that sits here. What you have to do is you have to use a plier, squeeze it down, and then push through. Pliers, squeeze down, push through. If you have one of those special needle nose pliers that's pretty thin, has a good angle, that will work pretty well. I'd use a regular plier. It took me a couple tries to squeeze this down, hold it in place, and then push it forward. I had to wiggle it out and it popped out. Then what you want to do is there's these two tiny screws. These two tiny screws sit in these 4 holes. Actually, there's 2 holes diagonally from each other. You unscrew it and this camera comes out. The reason why we're taking this camera out is because we're going to replace it with a 1080p camera, so the resolution is going to be a lot higher. Well, one of the things that you need to be aware is that no, I am not going to be using the original wiring harness. I'm pretty sure if you probably cut this up, figure out how to wire it, you probably could. But I have a different head unit, so I'm wiring it up differently. But I'm going to actually use this original, I don't know, housing to prevent water from going into the trunk, because this actually sits through this way. Let me put this down for a quick second. Fits pretty through nicely. And so I'll put my bolt up here, I'll install it, and then we'll see how it looks. And then the video to take off the trim pieces and everything, I'll post someone else's video link in the description. There's no point for me to re-explain what they did.